what's the date today? 오늘 몇 월 며칠이에요? It's 15th of March. 3월 15일이에요. What day of the week is it today? 오늘 무슨 요일이에요? It's Wednesday. 수요일이에요. 안녕, it's 동그라미 Korean. Today, let's talk about dates and days in Korean. Let's go. 오늘 몇 월 며칠이에요? What's today's date? Let's dig in this sentence word by word. 오늘 means today. 몇 here means how many. 월 is month. So literally, 몇 월 here means which month. Similarly, 일 means day. So, 며칠 means which day. 이에요 here means is or to be. Remember how we said 저는 칼이에요 for I am Carl? Here, 이에요 meant am or is, the verb to be. Similarly, here it also means is. So, 오늘 몇 월 며칠이에요? Literally becomes which month, which day is it today? 오늘 몇 월 며칠이에요? Try saying it out loud. 오늘 몇 월 며칠이에요? Now, let's answer this. It's March 15th. 3월 15일이에요. Saying months and day is actually very easy if you know how to count numbers in Korean. If you don't know yet, please check out my video on counting numbers, here in the link. For month, instead of names like January, February, March, blah blah blah, you just have to say number and 월. For example, January is 1월, as 1 here is 1. February is 2월, as 2 here is 2. March is 3월, April is 4월, May is 5. However, when you're saying June, we just say 6월. You take out the 받침 in 6. Again, 6월, 6월. Again, 6월, 6월. From July, it's the same again. 7월. August is 8월. September is 9월. For October, the same rule as June applies. It's supposed to be 10월, as 10 is 10. However, you take out the 받침 and say 10월, 10월. November is 11월, and December is 12월. Now then, for the date part, it's super easy again. You just say the date number and add 일 after it, which means day. It's like th in English, like when you say 10th, 11th, on and on. For example, for 3rd of March, you say 3월 3일. For 13th of March, you say 3월 13일. For 31st of March, you say 3월 31일. So, going back to the situation, what's the date today? 오늘 몇 월 며칠이에요? It's 15th of March. 3월 15일이에요. Now let's look at how to say days of the week. When you want to ask, what day of the week is it today? You say, 오늘 무슨 요일이에요? 오늘 무슨 요일이에요? Again, let's look at this one by one. Here, 오늘 means today. 무슨 means what, and 요일 means day of the week. 오늘 무슨 요일이에요? To answer this question, let's see how to say each day of the week. Monday is 월요일, 월요일. Tuesday is 화요일, 화요일. Wednesday is 수요일. 수요일. Thursday is 목요일. 목요일. Friday is 금요일. 금요일. Saturday is 토요일. 토요일. Sunday is 일요일. 일요일. In short form, we just take the first syllable of each day and say 월, 화, 수, 목, 금, 토, 일. Again, 월, 화, 수, 목, 금, 토, 일. There's also a song that expresses how we feel the length of each day. As weekdays, especially Monday, seems really long, whereas weekend is super short, the song goes like 월, 화, 수, 목, 금, 토, 일. Anyways, that's how we say days of the week. So, back to the example. What day of the week is it today? 오늘 무슨 요일이에요? It's Wednesday. 수요일이에요. With that done, now you know how to ask and answer the date and days of the week. Then see you next time. 안녕!